Don't you dare talk back to me! You take it! Dude, what are you doing? What? You said this is what we were doing. Not at the very beginning! Oh. Okay. My bad. It is impossible to find good help these days. Whatever. So listen up. Are you tired of spending your hard-earned money on fragrances just for them to be gone in 2 hours? Like, imagine this. You're at work, you're at lunch, you're trying to enjoy yourself, you're eating a ham salad sandwich, and suddenly you realize your fragrance is gone. It took you an hour to pick that thing out this morning, and now you can't smell it at all. So clearly your fragrance is trash, right? Wrong. Look, you don't have to go out and shell out $300 to get a fragrance that'll last more than 3 hours. I'm going to tell you how to do it, and I'm going to tell you right now. So this first step is the easiest one of all, and all you have to do is do your research before you go and buy a fragrance. You can hop online. You can go to Fragrantica.com, you can go to Base Notes, and you can go to YouTube.com, just like you are right now. And you can watch a video like this one, and you can find out how a fragrance projects. What's it going to cost you? And most importantly, is it going to last a long time? There's an incredible amount of knowledge for you right here at your fingertips, on your phone, on your computer. You might as well use it. You just have to look it up, dude. And before you make your purchase, know what you're getting into. Knowing how a fragrance performs before you even buy it is literally the easiest thing you can do. Now, after you get your fragrance, you still may be a little apprehensive about whether or not it's going to last very long. So step number 2 is basically as easy as step number 1, and that is spray that fragrance on your clothes. All the fibers in your clothes are going to hang on to those fragrance molecules, and it's going to last longer than it would on your skin. So after you're done spraying your skin wherever you like to do it, your neck, your butt, it doesn't matter, give yourself some sprays on your clothes. Hit your shoulders, hit your chest, shoulders, maybe your belly a little bit. It's going to sink in there. It's going to last longer. And you're going to smell great your entire workday. Trust me. Now, step number 3 is one that a lot of people don't consider because they don't realize that the dryness of their skin might affect the performance of their fragrance. All right, dude, now. No, I don't even want to do it anymore. Come on. It puts the lotion on the skin. Thank you. Applying lotion to your skin can play a huge part in whether or not your fragrance lasts a long time. Hydrating your skin keeps your skin from soaking up the fragrance, which allows that fragrance to breathe for a much longer period of time, which means you're going to smell great for a much longer period of time. Now, you don't have to force people to put lotion on, but for a lot of people, it can help them out a great deal. Being aware of how to make your fragrance last longer is hugely important, but what's even more important is knowing how the heck to spray your fragrance on. You can find that out in this video right here. Catch y'all later. Love ya. Bye.